What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode on Keeping It Real with Credit. Now, in today's episode, we're going to go over some of the most commonly asked questions regarding charge-offs and the circumstances in which debt collectors may report a charge-off to a consumer reporting agency. Now, as a disclaimer, this video should not be taken as legal advice. It is just for educational purposes only. Keep in mind that I am not an attorney, so please seek a consumer attorney for any legal advice regarding your consumer debt. Alright, so with that being said, let's dive right in. Did you know that under the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, a debt collector can report a charge-off debt to a consumer reporting agency during the 30-day validation period? A debt collector may accurately report a debt to a consumer reporting agency within this time frame, so remember that you still have the right to dispute the debt by sending a debt validation letter. So if you need some guidance on this process, check out my video on debt validation by clicking on the link above. So what actually happens when a debt collector receives a debt validation letter but hasn't responded? And a debt collector continue reporting the charge-off debt? As you may already know, the debt collector must cease collection of the debt if they receive a written dispute within the 30-day validation period until verification is obtained. The Federal Trade Commission actually stated in their staff opinion letter that the debt collectors report collections as a way to persuade you to pay, but if a dispute is received after the debt has already been reported to a consumer reporting agency, the debt collector must inform the consumer reporting agency of the dispute. Now, what actually happens if the debt collector ceases collections of the debt instead of responding to the written dispute within the 30-day validation period? The good news is that there's nothing in the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act that requires a debt collector to continue collecting on the debt after they receive the written dispute. If the debt collector decides to abandon the collection efforts, then they don't have to respond to the dispute at all. So remember, guys, after a written dispute has been received by the debt collector, reporting to a consumer reporting agency is viewed as a collection activity and is prohibited if no verification has been provided. Also, after a debt has been reported, a debt collector must report if a dispute was received. With that being said, guys, I hope you liked the information on this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with family and friends, and until the next episode on Keeping It Real with Credit, peace.